Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I will show you how you can create your own complete e-commerce website using AmazCart PHP script. So let me give you the quick demo of the website. So this is the website that we are going to create. You can see how amazing this website is. So this is a complete e-commerce website with admin panel. So you can see header section, there is option of home. You can also add blogs, contact us page, about us page. Here are different options. You can track order, compare, whitelist cart, and here is the option of Play Store and App Store. So you can also search different products. The product you like, you can search in the search bar. So here's the option of currency. You can change the currency from here, USDT to Indian INR or PKR, any currency you want to change. So here are different. This is the landing page. You can see different products. You can list your products. You can directly add to cart from here and pay directly. So these are the different products. You can see the listed products from here, and this is the landing page of this website. So let's explore some other features of this website. So this is the blog page. When you click on it, it will open the blog post in the new page. You can see different blog posts. Here is a contact page. You can add different contacts. You can contact to the developer of website from here, and here's about us page. You can see all about this website here. You can see all the things, and let's go back to home page. So to create this website, you must need a AmazCart PHP script. So this is a Codecanyon PHP script. You can see this is a AmazCart Laravel e-commerce system CMS. So its price is $39, and you have to extend it after every 1 year with $12. So if you don't want to spend this much money and you want this script for lifetime, you can directly contact me on the number given on the screen. You can WhatsApp me and I will provide you the script for lifetime. So you can see this. You can also explore some other details of this website. Now let's start building this e-commerce system. So I am going to host this PHP script on localhost just to show you that script is working properly. Now you can also host it on your hosting server. The installation process of the script will remain the same. So let's start building our website. So first of all, I go to my PHP script, and here's my AmazCart PHP script. I will just copy the script and go to the folder where your XAMPP is installed. So my XAMPP is installed in C drive, and here I go to XAMPP, here go to htdocs, and just paste your script. But first of all, you have to create here a new folder. I will create with AmazCart. So AmazCart, and the folder is created. Just go to the folder and paste your script here. Now just click on it and extract it right here. So it will take some time to extract. So you can see our script has been extracted successfully. This is our script. You can see this. And now what you have to do is you have to go back and just copy the name of the folder. So I will copy the name of folder. Go to your Chrome browser and type localhost, and you have to put this name between these two forward slashes. So I will put it just right here and press enter. So I have to write uploads and you have to go here, and it will open the installation system. You can see our installation window has appeared successfully. Now click on get started. Click here, and you can see here are all the server requirements. You have to fulfill all these server requirements, and folder permissions. You have to give all the permissions. Here you have to click let's go next. Now you can see here it is asking for license verification. Now this is a cracked PHP script for lifetime. So you can enter here any code, and here you have to enter any email, and click on let's go. So it will validate it, and this is a crack version, so it will go to the next step. Now you can see next step is check your database. Now here we have to create our database and let's create our database. So I will click on localhost php my admin, and it will open the new window of php my admin. Here you have to create the database. Go to database, create database with, I will create it with the name Amaz. You can create with any name you want. Go to privileges, create the user of this database. Here I will also create the user with the same name as that of database. So localhost and type password. So again type it, scroll down below, click on check all, and click on go button, and it will create the user and your database. So now go back to your installer window. Here you have to enter all the details. So port is I am hosting it on XAMPP, so port SQL port is 3306. So here you have to enter the database name. So database name is Amaz. Database username is also Amaz. Database password is also Amaz. So click on let's next go, and it is submitting it database detail. So you can see that database has been validated successfully. Now it is asking you to set your admin panel settings. So I will enter admin panel, admin@admin.com, and admin panel password, which is also admin. Retype it, and ready to go. Click on it. So it is installing our PHP script. So it is asking for some error. It is because that I just enter string in password. I have to also enter the digits. So 1 2 3. So now click on let's go. It is installing the system, and you have to wait for some time and until the installation finishes. So you can see our installation has finished successfully, and it is showing me that your super admin email is admin@admin.com and your password is admin123. Now click on go home, and it will redirect you to your website home page. So you can see that this is our home page. It will redirect us to new page. So you can see this is our home page of website. It is not showing anything because we don't enter any product on it. So when we place product on the website through admin panel, then the product will be shown on the home page. Now it is empty. So let's explore the admin panel of this website. Now go to your admin panel. So it will redirect me to a new page of admin panel. So this is the admin panel of website. You can see you have to enter your admin credentials here. So enter your admin email, admin@admin.com, and here you have to enter the password, which is admin123, and you have to click on sign in, and your admin panel will open successfully. So you can see that our admin panel has opened successfully. So you can see how amazing and how it is looking, how great looking its admin panel is. So here 0 products, 0 customer, 1 visitor, that is me, and the website is new, that's why it is showing nothing. So here you can see your customers. From here you can see your human resources. You can change front end CMS, and you can change homepage settings and many more settings. You can see all the things, and from here you can change appearances. You can change color, themes, and different things. You can see all the things, and from here you can change build different pages, form builder, order management. You can manage orders, refund managers, and products. You can list your products from here. You can category. You can select category, brand, attributes, units, add new products, product lists, bulk products, and recent view configure. So here you can see reviews, shipping, media manager, marketing option, gift card. You can see different accounts. You can manage different wallets. You can add blog posts to your website from here. So you can add blog post by clicking it. So here you can see different contact requests, admin reports. You can see all the things: visitors, in-house, product sale, product stack, and many more things. You can explore all these options. So from here you can change system settings. You can see all the system settings. From general setting, basically you can change the website title and many other things of the website, and you can see all the things that you can change. So here's a slide manager. Here's payment gateway option. You can manage different payment gateways from here. And setup, you can change language, currency, tags, and many more things. So this is the general overview of website. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need this PHP script, you can contact me on WhatsApp, and I will provide you this script on very low price and for lifetime. So you don't need to worry about the script. Thank you very much.